Hi, everybody. Today, we have a very special guest with me today. Oh. Everybody, say hello to Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Hi, Rudolph.
Hi.
A red nose?
Yes.
Who has a red nose?
Rudolph.
Rudolph has a red nose?
Red nose.
A red nose.
Reindeer look like they have a horn and they have a shiny nose. Red.
A shiny, what color?
Red.
Shiny red nose. So, a shiny red nose. Who has a shiny red nose?
Rudolph.
Rudolph. So you are Rudolph, right?
No.
What is Rudolph?
He lives with Santa Claus.
He lives with Santa Claus. Wait, I can find a red nose. There's Chelsea, the red-nosed reindeer. How about that?
Yeah.
Does that look like Rudolph?
Yeah. He drives the sled.
Oh, Rudolph drives the sled. Then, do you know how Rudolph got a red nose?
I think he's sick.
He's sick.
Did you hear that, Doobie and Doobop? Our friends all liked Rudolph. Let's sing again together.
Kids English School.
Kids